I go buy you a new phone. This is what you gonna do? You gonna
that phone probably costs $5.
It don't matter how much it costs. You got a phone now. You don't want it?
It don't. What you mean? It don't matter how much it costs. It's an old ass lady on this box. What am I gonna do with this?
What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Dub, and I'm back for another video. And I know you haven't seen my face, you know what I'm saying, since the broken phone video. But today I'm gonna do something to make it right. You know what I'm saying? To fix what I broke. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna make it right today. Second of all, I've seen a lot of people say, oh, the video is fake. How do you fake breaking someone's phone, right? And then it said her phone is in the back of her, right? That was her case. You know what I'm saying? Just go back and look at the video again. It was a broken case. It wasn't a phone, you know what I'm saying? You feel like I was wrong for breaking her phone?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Why are you so excited?
Because I like it.
Like what?
The broken phone.
No. Oh shit. Fuck the niggas. Anyways, I drove while somebody was trying to walk, but fucking I'm bossing, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, so today I'm on my way to the mall. What you doing? So me and you cool, right?
Yeah.
But on my way to the mall, me and Woo-Wop got cool off camera. You know what I'm saying? We got cool, we spent all yesterday together, you know what I'm saying? So we good. But haven't talked to his mom, you know what I'm saying? How can I? You know what I'm saying? I broke the phone, but like I said, I'm on my way to the mall to make it right. Alright, so right now I'm gotta buy my son a toy, you know what I'm saying? Because I ain't finna let no dude just randomly keep buying my son toys, and I don't, you know what I'm saying? This is how this whole feud even started, you know what I'm saying? By somebody taking my son to Chuck E. Cheese, buying him toys, you know what I'm saying? And had to break a you know what I'm saying? Had to break a phone in the process, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, that's the past. We are gonna make it right today. How do you know what's in there?
Some guns.
Huh?
Some guns. I get these for the guns.
How do you, but I know this is a chest, but how do you know what's in there?
It's a gun.
You know it is?
Yes.
Okay.
You know it's a gun.
Okay. I was good. So you know it's a gun in there?
Yeah, right here.
So you want this and this?
Yes.
This is, how much is this?
24.
This is $40.
Can I get it?
Huh?
Can I get these toys?
So you don't want one, you want both of them.
Yeah.
Huh?
There's the zombies I was shooting at.
What zombies was you shooting?
Those ones.
Alright, so he's picking out some stupid, dumb, expensive toys, but you know what I'm saying? I'll buy some Balenciagas, so gotta buy my son a crazy toy that he's gonna play with for 5 minutes and forget about it once we walk in the house. Alright, so just finished getting Woo-Wop a toy. You know what I'm saying? He wanted a $75 Aquaman with shark built to it. So right now I'm in the phone aisle and I'm finna buy Brittany a new phone. And luckily for me, Target has large selections of phone, and I don't feel like going anywhere else. You know what I'm saying? I just feel like chilling back at home. So I'm gonna get Brittany a phone today. You know what I'm saying? Because she needs to keep in contact with her child. You know what I'm saying? Keep me updated and stuff like that. And also, she needs to talk to her boyfriend, right? So I'm here at Target, and I see a large selection of phones. Let's see if they got any more. Nope. So we're good. You know what I'm saying? Got this short selection right here. I think this phone is gonna be the one we're gonna do today. It's pretty expensive. You know what I'm saying? But we gonna get this one. You know what I'm saying? Just to give her a little color. You know what I'm saying? And it's only $25 a month. Huh? Hold on. Excuse me.
Yes.
Just wondering, can I get this this flip phone right here? The red one? Yeah.
Sorry, the dark?
I don't know. Whatever that red flip phone right here is.
Okay. Did you want me to activate it for you?
Nah.
Alright.
Can I buy both things here? The toy in the box there? Alright, so we was gonna get her the burgundy one. You know what I'm saying? We was gonna get her the burgundy one, but they said it was $50 extra for a burgundy phone. So this one was $30, so this is the one we got. It's ridiculous to charge $50 more just for a different color phone. But this is what she's gonna have to deal with. You know what I'm saying? This is gonna get her through, you know, her uncellular phone days. Because you don't need no smartphone. You know what I'm saying? People don't need no smartphone. It ruins everything. You know what I'm saying? Smartphones ruin everything. So, yeah, this is her new phone. Let's hope she like it. You think your mama gonna like her new phone?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You think she gonna call you on it?
Yeah.
She gonna flip it up?
Yeah.
All right. So you think she gonna be mad at me still?
Yeah. I'm playing with my toy in the box.
Are you playing with your toy?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So you think your mama gonna be happy now, right?
Yeah.
All right. Let's get out of here. Let's see, get this light better. See how that look like that. Boom. Boom. Wide angle. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what that is. But anyways, she got back home. Playing with his toy. Show me your toy. Shark and Iron Man. I mean, Shark and Aquaman, right?
Yep.
Toy is not worth what I paid for. But anyways, I got Brittany a new phone, of course. Just go see. I mean, obviously she ain't got a phone, so I can't see where she's at. But I'm pretty sure that she's, you know, with TT right now, or with my mama house. So I'm gonna give her a call, TT a call, and tell her to have her, you know, come over to get the phone. I'm pretty sure she shouldn't feel any type of way about having a flip phone, because I think she had like an iPhone 5. You know what I'm saying? I think her phone was pretty old. So it's like the two phones are. Why are you making all the noise? The two phones are identical, you know what I'm saying? The only thing is she can't get on you probably can't get on Instagram with a flip phone now. You know what I'm saying? But I think they compared, you know what I'm saying? So I think she shouldn't have a problem. But like I said, I'll buy her a new phone, but I'm not finna buy her luxury just to talk to another boy, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, let me call TT number. Let me call TT and see Brittany's over there, and no, I'm not gonna accidentally leak TT number. So see if you thought that.
Hello?
What you doing?
Watching TV.
Oh, who you watch TV with?
Why?
TT, what is wrong with you, dude? Just ask you a question. Who you watch TV with?
With Brittany.
Have she been saying anything about me?
No, we haven't been talking about you at all. We just watching this little mystery show.
Can you do? Can you tell her that? Can she come by so I can make it right? I got something for her. And tell her. Yeah, just ask her. Tell her I got So I bought her a new phone, but don't tell her. But just tell her I was, just tell her to come over here real quick, 'cause I got something.
Dejan said, can you come back over there? She ain't saying nothing. She acts like she got a problem.
Can you put me on speakerphone?
Yeah, you want? I'll put you on. Alright, you on.
Hey, I got something for you. If you could just come by real quick. Just take 2 seconds. Hello?
He heard you.
All right, TT.
Alright.
All right, let's hope. Let's hope she come by.
That's my mama. That's my mama.
You got a booger here, nose. Come here.
No, I don't.
Come here.
That's my mama.
How you know?
Because she has been growing the toy. Hi.
Hi, girl. What did you want me to come over here for?
I just come over here because I got you. I wanted to ask, do your Apple Watch still work?
Yeah,
No, I was just saying I got you. I don't apologize for breaking your phone because I don't feel like I did nothing wrong. But I just wanted to say, I don't think it's right that you can't talk to your son. You know what I'm saying? Keep me updated or talk to your little boyfriend or whatever. So I got you a new phone.
keep you updated on what? Why would I want to talk to you?
I got you a new phone.
Well, where's that?
Where?
Oh, it's the iPhone inside that box.
Open it and see. You need a knife or something? He said
This is not for my toy then.
You said she gonna like her new phone, don't you?
Yes.
This is a
Did you need a
brand new
knife?
box.
No, it's not. You need a knife?
No, I don't. I cut you with it.
You need a knife. You need a knife to open it. You need a knife.
So you don't need this knife to open it?
No.
Hurry up then. It's taking so long.
Where's my iPhone?
Huh?
Where's my iPhone?
This is the phone.
Nobody don't want that phone. Where's my iPhone that you broke?
I want to have this phone.
You said you don't want the phone.
How about break your phone?
Don't touch my phone. It's not about me. I don't have a girlfriend. My girlfriend not buying my son stuff. So you don't want the phone.
No.
I just spent my hard-earned money buying you another new phone.
What you spend on this? $20?
Everybody's saying I'm a bad guy for breaking your phone. So I go buy you a new phone. This is what you gonna do? You gonna
That
throw
phone probably cost $5.
It don't matter how much it costs. You got a phone now. You didn't want it?
It don't. What you mean? It don't matter how much it costs. It's an old ass lady on this box. What am I gonna do with this? Clearly, this is the people that's supposed to have this type of phone.
I thought you said she liked the phone. I'm just trying. Listen, let me see. Can I see? Let me see.
I need the phone.
Let me see.
Okay. Why are you taking the one? My God.
My granny don't even got a phone like that.
Here, dude.
I don't
This
want it.
Why do you don't want the phone?
Is this the type of phone I had, Doodoo?
Yes.
No, it's not. I had an iPhone.
So you're not gonna take the phone?
No, I don't want it.
I want to take it.
Take the phone,
Wait
dude.
for my time even coming over here. You want to come with me?
Yeah.
Leave that trash here.
Trash.
Trash in the land. Come on.
Can I bring my toy? Can I bring my toy? Don't leave me. Come on. I'm not going.
light isn't that good. Answer this for me. YouTube. Answer this for me. Why the light ain't that good? But answer this for me. Did I do anything wrong but try to make the situation better? I tried to give her a new phone. When y'all told me to get her a new phone, you didn't say buy her a new iPhone. Why would I spend $600-700 again, because I just bought my son an iPhone, to buy her a phone to FaceTime another boy, to text another boy? No, I'm not dumb. Nah, she ain't got no phone.